I'm Aiman, and welcome back to one of my product review videos. In today's video, we're going to be doing an unboxing of this vacuum stand for the Dyson V15 Detect. So, continuing in the series of the Dyson V15 Detect videos I've been doing, we're going to be unboxing this vacuum stand that we bought because the reason that we got it was because we want to be able to hang and mount the vacuum using its mount, but we don't want to drill it into a wall because we have nice walls and it's kind of a permanent thing. And my mom wants the convenience of being able to move the vacuum around while it's in storage. But while I'm unboxing this, I guess I'll talk about the interestingness of them deciding not to package a stand with the vacuum. Because I mentioned when I was doing my attachments video that there's a lot of attachments in that bag that come with the V15 Detect. I think there's at least 10 of them. And on the vacuum itself, there's only two points where you can add additional attachments on here. You can only put two additional attachments here, and then two additional attachments on the actual vacuum, which I thought was pretty abysmal, considering this is a $700 vacuum. You know, I mean, I know we paid $550 for it, but you would think for such a large price that they would come with everything included. Although I guess it is a quote-unquote smart business decision, because then you can sell the stand separately and then someone else can make money. Or if you're Dyson themselves, you can make your own official stand and charge a premium for it because it's brand name. But in this case, this is made by someone else. It's called FOHO, which is funny because this is the name of a Harvard house. But this is what the stand looks like when it comes out of the package. Originally, I think we're going to do an assembly video, but I'm not even sure this is going to be large enough for an assembly video, because first off, it seems like it already comes pretty mostly together. And I'm realizing now, you know, based on the picture, this is the picture of it, by the way, there's only 4 places you can add attachments, so we still need 2 more places to put attachments on. But ignoring that, that's pretty much all you get in the box. You get 2 stand pieces, 1 base. This is a pretty heavy base, pretty hefty. I wouldn't expect it to tilt while it's holding the vacuum. And then you got mounting hardware. Okay, so I think we're going to combine the assembly into this as well. So all we need to do is just put this one on, screw it down with 3 screws, then put the second one on, and then secure that with 4 screws, and then put this on. Okay, but I guess I'll do that for a separate video. Maybe people aren't interested in the unboxing video. I'll talk another thing that you might want to get the stand for. So one advantage of getting a stand for the vacuum mount is that if you're like a renter and you can't put in a permanent, you can't screw this into the wall because like you don't want your deposit to get lost because you're ruining the walls. This is a good choice to have, because it's not intrusive, it doesn't destroy anything in the walls, and you can just have this standing in your home if you want to use that vacuum. Another reason is that, again, it's portable, so that means you don't have to be restricted to just having one spot on the wall where you're going to put the vacuum. And for some reason, my mom never put the vacuum in one place when she was done with it. She always put it in like the boys' room or the girls' room or her room whenever she was done with it. So this might be more convenient for her because she can never choose one exact place to put the vacuum when it's done. Yeah, so the one last thing I have to comment on is I pointed it out, but there's only 4 attachment points on this. So I'm not really sure why I think my mom bought this, since there's 10 attachments. So this probably might not be the best amount unless we like daisy chain some of the attachments. So it might have been nicer to have like 5 or 6 or even 7 or 8 more attachment points to store the attachments, but that's okay. I'm sure we'll figure out a way to make it work. But anyway, we're going to do the assembly video in a separate video because it's going to be a shorter video and people are going to be more interested in that. But this is just going to be in the unboxing so you guys can get a sense of why to buy this and also what to expect. And you can buy this on Amazon. We'll put a link to it down in the description below. And that's going to be it for this video. I'm Aiman. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and look at other videos on EyeOnAiman, especially the videos on the Dyson. And I'll see you in the next one. For now, I'm Aiman and signing out. Peace.